another round of Case by Case with Tyler T. Todd from We Win Injury Law in this sponsored interview.
All right, explain how this works to our viewers if they didn't see the last time.
Okay, thanks, you guys. We're going to have 3 cases. 2 are actual cases that were legitimate claims. 1 is not. So viewers at home, you're going to have to pick the one that's not. You're going to pick the one that's not an actual claim.
Like they don't have a case. That's the one we're choosing.
There's not a case. Now, there's some caveats, and we'll talk about it briefly, but 2 were a legitimate claim, 1 is not.
Okay, let's dive in. Let's hear.
Okay, here we go. First one. And our theme is road hazards. Okay, road hazards. Which we all deal with on a daily basis. First case, camper shell case. Okay, driver's going down the interstate near I-80 and the 15 on the 15 interchange, loses camper shell. Early morning, okay, early morning, so traffic is light. Driver pulls over, goes into the middle of the lane, literally across, 5, 6 lanes of traffic, tries to recover something from the camper shell. Semi-truck is coming down the road, barrels into the camper shell, and driver is killed.
Okay. Fatality. That's brutal.
Who's at fault? Semi-truck driver? Individual
person in the middle of I-15 trying to get the camper shell.
Getting items from the camper shell.
Okay, that's case number 1.
Case number 1. Case number 2. We see this a lot. Cows, bulls on the road. Okay? Driver's coming down one of the rural highways in Utah. It's dark. Black cow in the middle of the road coming around, traveling freeway speeds, plows into the cow. Not so great for the cow.
Okay, these are like all of my worst fears.
Me too.
Yes.
Because they happen in our state.
And a lot of our rural highways are windy and kind of bumpy, and you come around a corner and...
But this was someone's cow.
Someone's cow that had breached out of come out of the fence and on the standing in the middle of the highway.
Okay.
Case number 2.
And she suffered catastrophic injuries. Okay.
Now we're to number 3.
Case number 2. Case number 3, and this happens a lot too on our Utah highways. Deer comes out in the middle of the road. Mom or dad is driving family, strikes the deer, family suffers a lot of catastrophic injuries.
Okay, so now is the time.
What's our legal recourse?
So one of those does not have a case.
One of those does not have a case. Okay, what do you think?
Wait, we didn't even hesitate.
Wow.
No. Both of us say case number 3.
Well, here's the thing. I feel like that one sounds like it was just at the mercy of a wild animal wandering on versus a cow who was supposed to be contained or somebody who stepped out into the middle of a highway.
Right, the deer, who would your case be against?
So that's a great question. So this happens a lot. So you're absolutely right. You're both right. Driver hitting the deer. Okay, but we see this a lot. In the event driver, mom, dad, whoever, is driving too fast for the conditions, right, and hits a deer, looking down, changing the radio station, hits a deer, the passengers may have a claim against driver.
Really?
And that happens all the time.
Oh, wow.
The family members will sue the driver.
Or family or whoever or friends. So yes, that's correct. In the first case, the camper shell case, we did find that the semi-truck driver was liable. Now, there was disputed liability, of course, right? But it did settle for a 6-figure claim, but it was heavily contested.
That's a tough one.
Never go into I-15 to reclaim something. You should be calling the highway patrol.
That might have been one of their arguments. So yes.
That's what I would think.
You would think. So second case too, with the bull, we were able to obtain calls and information and data that the landowner, the cow owner, had known about the cow getting out previously. So it was a known issue. Also heavily contested with liability, but also settled for 6 figures.
But listen, there's gray area with all of these and things that you don't know, and that's why you need an expert on your side to help you deep dive and see who is at fault.
That's right. So when you have road hazards and road conditions and you just don't know, call us. The consults are always free.
4 locations now?
Yes.
All right, tell us where those are.
So Orem, okay, Cedar City, Hurricane, St. George, and we're putting one in Pleasant Grove, American Fork, and Salt Lake this summer.
We win injury law, everyone. This is Tyler T. Todd, and all his info will be on our website, abc4.com/GTU. I love Case by Case. I didn't do well last time. I was ready.
Well, you redeemed yourself.
I was ready this time. Thank you
Your legal
so
hats were
much.
on. I loved it.
We appreciate it.
Thank you.